I guess the Cruising Drama Club has hit my channel. Been waiting for it. But, we got some Vista updates and, well, let's talk about it. Hey, welcome everybody to Blue Collar Cruising. My name is Ike Stevens, and I appreciate you guys for stopping by the channel and subscribing. Boy, yesterday's video caused a lot of controversy on this channel. Okay, and I'm not really used to that on this channel. I am used to controversy, though. I mean, I didn't get one of those for nothing. But on this channel, I guess I found some people. I guess I'm a Royal Caribbean shill. Okay, because I spoke on something that the previous day that the Carnival website didn't list any Vista cruises available for the month of June. And I reported on that, and I says, hey, let's keep our fingers crossed that this does not mean it's going to be a cancellation. And I stated in the video yesterday that I'm pro Carnival, and you guys need to make your own minds, but we need to, hey, I'm not a travel agent. I don't work for a cruise line. I'm just a cruiser like you. I'm a vlogger. I'm everything like that. I want to be on a cruise. Next week I'm supposed to go. All right? And I guess people didn't want to hear that part. They just wanted to say, you must be a shill. You must be paid for by Royal Caribbean. I'm not going to watch you because, what you said in the video is not accurate because, well, let's talk about that for a minute. So, the previous day, when I recorded the video, on the Carnival website, Carnival Vista was not available to book for the month of June. Now, we all know that, hey, when they take away the bookings available, that means maybe a cancellation is coming, and we all know that the engine, the Vista's been having engine problems. Okay, they've been trying to fix, and we don't know what's going to happen. And you sit there and you hear the cruisers that are getting off the ship. You hear them talk, and they say how disappointed they are, or they're talking about how this ship needs to be fixed. Okay, that's what they're saying. I'm reading that. Okay, no one's telling me to say that. And so at the time that I recorded the video, okay, that's what it was. Now, today, or as you watched this yesterday, they put Vista sailings back up. That's what happened. That's good news. That is good news. Especially for us that are booked in June, that don't want to have our cruises canceled. Why would I want our cruises canceled? Why? People mishear that. And then they want to sit there and say that I work for Royal Caribbean. Look at the videos on this channel. It's all Carnival. All Carnival. I've never been on any other cruise ship. I've been on all Carnival ships. That's it. To sit there and say that I work for Royal Caribbean, that's a stretch. Why don't you go and look for yourself? The good news sometimes is no news. Right? As we're sitting there watching the previous weeks, okay, the previous weeks you hear cruisers that have ports canceled. It's like, oh man, this ship's not going very fast. And man, they need to put this in dry dock in a hurry. This week, obviously, they did take the sailings away, but they put them back on the website where you can book now. Now tomorrow, as this video posts, they may change again. But I could tell you now that you can book the Vista. And I could also tell you that no ports have been canceled. What we're going to pay attention to, though, those that are sitting there watching the Vista, are they going to have their time shortened in Cozumel? That's what we're looking at. And we're going to find out really soon. And then after they leave Cozumel and they head back to Galveston, are they going to arrive late? That's what we're paying attention to. We know that there's a technician on board. Maybe they're getting it fixed. Maybe it's running. Because I tell you what, I have not seen any post about anything, from the Vista saying it's going too slow. I haven't seen that. Now, granted, these Facebook groups, they're very biased and they do not allow anything negative. Let's do this negative, okay, about what's going on, what's really going on, what you and I are interested in. You are interested in what's going on in Vista because you're probably booked, like I am. Obviously, you are interested in what's going on. Well, that's being blocked. You can't see that kind of stuff. You can on my group, Blue Collar Cruising Facebook group. That's what we're going to do. All right. We've gained we got like 100 people already. Okay. We got like 100 people in there, or plus more than 100 people now. And let me tell you guys something. I'm not a travel agent. I'm a cruiser. Okay, just like you guys are. You want to go on vacation? I want to go on vacation. I'm not trying to sell you a thing. Maybe for you to subscribe to the channel, okay? Because other than that, I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm not trying to sell you for or against Carnival, because maybe one of these days I may go try Princess. I may go try Norwegian or Royal Caribbean. But, as it stands right now, I am Carnival and Carnival all the way. And nothing's really going to change that. Will I go and try other ships out? Yeah, I'm a vacationer like you guys are. If you guys want to join, it's not a biased group. I'm not going to... Listen, now obviously we got to pay attention to Facebook rules, right? But when it comes to sitting there saying, well, this is what's going on really in the carnival industry or the cruising industry, you're allowed to say that. You're allowed to speak your mind. Even if you're dissatisfied with something, speak it, okay? Just speak it. Hey, we have got some new subscribers on the channel, and I appreciate that. There was one lady that said, hey, I guess she's new to cruising, and she only thought that cruise lines only come out of Florida. She didn't know that they came out of Texas and even New Orleans. Well, I've got videos on this channel out of Galveston, Texas, and out of New Orleans, Louisiana. There's actually a lot of people out there that aren't familiar with that. You see these big cruising channels. Most of the time, they're leaving out of Florida, even Galveston, but they don't hit out of New Orleans. It don't seem like. Well, let me tell you, I am going to tell you all about New Orleans and Galveston, okay? I'm going to do those in future videos, okay? I'm tell you about the process, okay? I consider myself a professional when it comes to New Orleans and Galveston ports. More so New Orleans. I've cruised out of New Orleans more than Galveston, so. But I appreciate you guys watching this video. All right, stay tuned. I'm going to give you more updates on the Vista because, hey, I'm just a cruiser like you guys are, okay? I don't work for anybody but myself. All right, I am a YouTuber, professional YouTuber, even though this channel does not provide financially. No, it don't. I'm not monetized on this channel. But if you help me by subscribing and watching these videos and hitting that like button and sharing, maybe one of these days I can make a buck off this channel. But until then, I'm just a poor old guy in the country sitting there telling you guys about cruising and about what's real about cruising. Okay, that's the reason why we call it the Blue Collar Cruising Channel. Because people like us, the hardworking men and women out there, they're going out there and, freaking busting their tail at work, and they just want to go on a vacation and feel all fancy. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the Blue Collar Cruising Channel. Well, hey, we'll talk to you guys later. And June 4th, I will be on the Carnival Vista. Fingers crossed, thumbs crossed. And it's looking a lot better than what it did 24 hours ago. Talk to you guys later. 73.